Welcome to this card tutorial. Keep watching to see how to make this beautiful and versatile lily design card with lace ribbon accent. Shown here and also linked and listed below are all of the specific items that I used to make this card. The first step is to take your base paper and pencil and draw out the 3 lilies for this design on your card. Once you have that complete, switch over to your thin black pen. Here I'm using a Faber-Castell brand pen in thickness or size F and simply outline everything. To create the stems a little bit thicker and I guess darker in color, I simply just went over them twice and created a little bit thicker of a line. However, if you wanted a thin line like the flowers for the stems, that's really easy to do, just don't go over that part twice. Once I had the base or initial design drawn out using my pen, I went back in to add in some accents. And so I added in some accent lines on all of the leaves. And essentially these are just small little lines to add a little bit of depth and extra dimension. And then I also colored in some parts of the lily solid black. Again, just to add a little bit of extra dimension to the design and the card, but again, these 2 additional steps are entirely optional depending on your preferences and how you like it to look. Finally, I just took my eraser and removed some of the remaining pencil lines that were still visible. Once you have that complete, you're ready to add your ribbon accent to the card. So simply take whatever ribbon that you're using. I had some really pretty kind of cream colored lace ribbon laying around, and so I chose to use that for this design. And simply just take that small piece and tie it into a bow. And once you're happy with your placement of the ribbon, simply just take some fast drying glue, put a little dot on the center of the bow, and glue it on. And once the glue is dry, this versatile and beautiful lily design card with ribbon bow accent is complete.